Good evening, everyone. Hi, good evening, everyone. So, hi, Abhigyan. Hi, Anjali. Hi, Rashekar. Hi, Vinay.
Hi.
Hi,
Uh,
hi, Sai Soumya, something. Okay. So, good evening, everyone. So, all right. So, before having this demo class, before having this presentation, right? So, I need to understand how many of them are working into the business analyst, and again, the part of data analyst, and again, the part of Power BI tools, and again, the part of Excel sheets, and again, the part of Tableau tools, and again, the part of Python language, and again, R language, and again, what you understand from the data, and again, what we need to do, and again, what is this data analysis, and again, what is this data analytics, and again, what is this data scientist, data engineering, and again, finally, end of this data pipelines. So I need to understand, like, how many of them are working employees, how many of them are planning to switch domains, and again, how many of them are freshers. All these things quickly we'll have a demo on this. And again, after that, we'll take it out this complete demo. Clear, right, everyone? Yes, please, yeah. We can start from Vinay. Hello, Vinay, Abiya, Anjali. Hello. Is it audible, right, everyone?
Yes, audible.
yes.
Yes, yes, please, Vinay. Please go ahead.
Uh,
We'll start.
so, actually, I working on Excel
Mhm.
and some tool like Microsoft Management Studio, and currently my role is in I am working in Genpact actually since
Great.
last 6 years, and currently I am support analyst.
Support analyst. Great.
Yes,
Okay.
in operation domain
Mhm.
and as a dialer operation team. So basically, I use most of the time like Excels, not the Power BI, but I have a basic understanding of Power BI and but not using in our environment. So now in our requirement in Genpact that Power BI is coming. So that is why I decided to join this course. And somewhere this Power BI is also very important for data analysis, and same like Python also. So that is
Great.
why I am here.
Great, Vinay. Great initiative. And again, really very happy that you are working to the 6 years in the one company. That's really, it shows stability and again your performance. And again, okay, welcome. So either with my
Thank you.
classes or as any institute with any other classes also, fine, right? So here basically for you, I used to take with the end-to-end data analyst, cloud data analyst, and again cloud data pipelines. And also apart from that, so we have a Python end-to-end, and also we are using in the Python coding, especially from scratch to advanced mode. In the advanced mode, how to create a modules, and again how to push our own modules, and again how to create our own Excel modules, and again how to use the pandas, NumPy, Metaplot library, C1, OpenPy, Excel, and again MySQLs. So all these libraries how to use, I'll show that. And again that is in Python, and again Excel, end-to-end Excel, basic formulas, and again all the functions, and again Power Query, and also like completely end-to-end VLOOKUPs, XLOOKUPs, and again HLOOKUPs also, all this kind of stuffs, and again Power Pivot, Power Queries, and again also like how to implement Excel with the Python also. That's the second tool, and again the third tool, end-to-end MySQL. There are multiple types of databases. Generally, we have a four types of databases, right? One is network database, and again hierarchical database, and also third one is like RDBMS database, and again fourth one is completely OOPS database. We are using the third one, RDBMS database. In that SQL and again NoSQL. We can also use the SQL in the MySQL, and again NoSQL in the cloud level DynamoDB or else Cassandra DB or else MongoDB. We are going to use the two databases here. One is SQL database with MySQL, and again another one is Cassandra or MongoDB. So two or two databases we are using, and also that is the third one, and again the fourth one Power BI, and again the fifth one, so end-to-end automations. So this is what in the AWS also we can use some data pipeline concepts. I mean that is the data engineering concepts, right? And again after that how the data analysis will learn, and again, what is the data analytics tools, all these things. And again, how to write our own code, and again, push into the GitHub tools. So 7 tools I'm going to cover. So thank you, Vinay. Yes, next, Anjali.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening, Anjali.
Yes, I'm working as an IT recruiter and I want to switch my domain into IT. So I got to know about this platform. I want to go for data analytics role and I want to learn like SQL, Python, and Excel, advanced Excel.
Great. So no worries, completely fine, Anjali. That's why, you are handling with already recruiting jobs level, right? There you'll be getting like a number of resumes, and again also there is a HR analytics. So if you have multiple data there, how to gather
Okay.
the data, and again how to pull the data, and again how to do this analysis. We will take that examples also in the real time scenario in our classes. And again, apart from this, we can take the medical care data, banking sector data, all this. Yes, definitely. MySQL database and also DynamoDB database servers, Cassandra DB, and again end-to-end Excel, and again GitHub, and also Git tools, and again AWS Cloud Data Analyst tools, and again on top of that Power BI, all these things. Clear, right? Thank you, Ann.
Okay. Thank
Thank you. How Rajshekhar?
Yeah, hi, good evening. My name is Rajshekhar.
Good evening, Rajshekhar. Yes,
I'm,
please.
I'm having 6+ years of experience in US policy checking insurance domain, working
Great.
for different types of insurances. And again, I have moved to Wipro 2023 for the IT background.
Mm.
I'm having 1 year of experience in that. So again, a 2 years career gap is there. Right now, I'm in UAE to search for a job.
Great. Okay. No worries. Fine, Rajshekhar. I understand your comments. But why data engineering? Sorry, why data analyst?
Because there is a huge career growth in here as well, in UAE as well. So I want to make any certification and get any skills from that, so that I can get into the UAE market as well. So that is the reason I have chosen to prefer to this.
Yes, so because in previous batches, right, a lot of UAE students will be with me. So I think all they got the good opportunities and again good packages also. Right, so
Uh,
fine.
one one small question from my side actually. Can I? Hello.
Yes, please, yeah.
Uh, with this 45 days of course, can I get into the job market as well, or it will take more time?
See,
Like this, all the
basically,
tools. See, basically, I'm a non-technical background person. Basically, I don't know about all these skills.
Mhm.
So I'm practicing Excel day to day, and I have downloaded the Power BI desktop application. But I don't know about anything about all those. Within the 45 days of course, and we can practice each and every time, so we can get land into a job in UAE market, or it will take some difficulties to face.
Yes, Rashekar, is a great point. See, the thing is, I will tell you that data analyst will take the 6 months of a course, no worries. But this data analyst is completely in our hand. How we will make visualizations, how we will gather the data, how we will run our mind logics, and again, how we will think in the different way of formatting the data, cleaning the data, manipulating the data, and again, migrating the data. So with our talent, right? So that makes a lot of sense here. So either we can make it out within 10 days of class also, and again, 6 months also, but definitely 45 to 60 days it will take my classes. Generally, I have given the 45 days, but definitely it is a 60 days classes, okay? No worries on that, because end-to-end projects as we should do. But take an example of one scenario of data, Excel sheet. Take it out, Excel sheet, okay? I think ma'am Anjali is working in the HR recruiting section, right? So she's working from the past 10 years. Just take an example. The last of 10 years, so she gathered like nearly like might be so 5,000 resumes. So in this 5,000 resumes, I want to capture which are data engineering resumes, cybersecurity resumes, cloud engineering resumes, development resumes, and again depending upon the tools and again depending upon that, I need to make the visualization dashboards, right? With the help of like different analysis. Either we should use the descriptive analysis, either I need to use a quantitative analysis, either I need to use a qualitative analysis, that we can make it out within 10 minutes with experience. But as a freshers, as a beginners, it will take some time need to understand why I need to use a qualitative analysis, why I need to use a descriptive analysis, Why I need to use a diagnostic analysis? What is this analysis method? What is this visualization method? Why I need to use a pie chart? Why I need to use a line graph? Why I need to use a bar graph? Why I need to use a scatter chart? So why I need to use a heat map? How does this fit into the environment? And again, all this data, I can make it out in the Power BI also, and also Excel also, right? Depending upon that, how we will think our imagination method, that it will works. We can complete within 10 days also, within 6 months also, within 60 days also. But entirely, whenever we are attending the classes, if we get the small data, right? If we get the under one Excel sheet in that 200 columns, 300 rows, if I get that data, right, we should make it out like an end-to-end analysis method. That's what matters a lot in the data analyst. Data analyst is completely our own mindset, and again our own mind logic will be running on this. Clear, right, Rashika?
Yes, but one question like is Python is necessary or it will be
I will tell you that. See, in some scenarios, we can do it in Excel sheet manually. In Power BI also, we can do manually. We can upload the Excel sheet. But in some scenarios, in many companies, what they will do, right? So rather than pulling the data from the Excel sheet, just because of this data security, right? What they will do, write a Python code by using the NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib library, take the complete data which is in the Excel sheet, and they can clean the data and also like format the data, and you can dump it to the Power BI. That they will tell that. So that they will be telling. So that's why they'll be using the Python for that. It's not a mandatory, but if you have a Python, that's a good thing. But if you want to focus only the Power BI, that's mandatory, not required to learn. But if you're focusing on MySQL, Power BI, and again Excel, definitely Python is required. At least like intermediate level. Python is so easy, no worries on that.
so
If you have a coding knowledge, right? At least you have a very good understanding for that.
no, see, my background is very zero. I'm very poor background in coding as I don't know anything about that IT background. So that I have left the job within 1 year only.
Okay.
So
No
that
worries.
is the reason I have joined here and I have to get into the UAE market after completion of 45 to 60 days of course.
Yeah, I understand. So, but no worries completely on this, Rashikar. See, generally you can focus only MySQL and Power BI and again Excel sheet. Only the three things is
Oh,
fine. You can skip
okay.
if you want. Just you can attend the classes. If you can skip if you want, you can skip the coding. But coding is mandatory. But who are interested in coding, that's it.
Hmm.
Okay. So next, Sachin. Anyone? Sachin, Sai, Soumya, Vinay. Sachin.
Hi, good evening, sir.
Hi, Soumya. Good evening. Yeah.
Currently, I'm doing my master's.
Great. Okay.
I don't have any experience.
Okay.
Yeah, currently I'm student.
Great. So this data analyst definitely it will be working for you. And again, you can
Yeah,
make it out like internship, and again also freelancing job tasks. And again, definitely you can get like good opportunities of that.
yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So the tools I'm going to cover here, Power BI, Excel, and again Git, and again AWS Cloud data analyst tools also, and again Excel, and again MySQL database, and again NoSQL database both. All right. Generally, when we heard about the terms, so welcome to the data analyst demo class here. Generally, I need to discuss about what is data analyst, what is a data scientist, and again, what is a data engineer. But data analyst is completely only the three tools: Excel, Power BI, Tableau, and again MySQL. MySQL is very important. Okay, database is very important. Databases, two databases, but only SQL database is also fine. But data analyst is also part of required for Python also. But data scientist is completely Python or TensorFlow, Jupyter. And again, data engineer, SQL, Hadoop, and again Apache Spark. And again, data warehouses also they should learn. But anyway, data analyst is completely Excel, Power BI, Tableau, and again MySQL database, and again some bot intermediate level of Python. Right? So in this case, before this, what is this data analyst? What is this data scientist? What is this data engineer? Right? What is this data analyst? Data analyst is a guy, you'll be using the data analytics tools. Those tools are Power BI, and they can also Tableaus, and again little bit part of coding with the Python, and also you'll be using with the Excel and also SQL database. You'll be gathering the data, and again you'll be doing this some kind of altering the data, that is called a data analyst, right? And again, this data analyst is a collection of data analytics tools plus data analysis methods. So that is called a completely data analyst. What is this data analysis methods? Descriptive analysis, diagnostic analysis, prescriptive analysis, quantitative analysis, qualitative analysis, exploratory data analysis, EDA analysis, geospatial analysis. This is the multiple analysis will be arrivable. Okay. So this is what data analyst. Data analyst is a combination of data analytics tools plus data analysis methods. Data scientist, what you will do? Whatever the data is gathered from the data analyst, right? So you will be predicting the data, and you will be creating the models. You will be creating the new kind of algorithms by using the older algorithms. That is what data scientist. What is this data engineering will do? Data engineering you will do. You will be creating the infrastructure. What you will do? You will be doing the ETL format, extract, transform, load, or else extract, load, transform. You will be converting the data from JSON format to CSV, CSV to the XML format to the again CSV, and again paraquet format to binary format, and again binary format to OCR format. That is what data engineering you will do. You'll be creating the infrastructure in the cloud level, Azure cloud, and again GCP cloud, and again AWS cloud, and again also you'll be doing the data pipelines. So this is what the data analyst, and again data scientist, and again data engineering will do, right? But end of the day, data analytics. So right. So here we should understand that what is this types of data analytics? So descriptive analysis, what happened in the past data, diagnostic analytics, why did it happen, predictive data analysis, what is likely to happen, when it is happened, and again why it is happening, all this, and again prescriptive analysis, what should be done in future, right? So this is what descriptive of data types of data analytics. Next. So in this case, types of data analysis, again, quantitative, qualitative, exploratory data analysis. And also I said that confirmatory data analytics tools, right? In this case, what is this? Quantitative analysis means numerical data, statistical data models. Qualitative means textual data, interviews, observations, many more things. EDA analysis, discovering patterns, trends. Confirmatory analysis, testing hypothesis with data, right? So this is what types of data analysis. This is one types, and again, this is one type. So this is what very important need to understand. This is a main thing we need to focus in our data analyst. Descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and again prescriptive, and again after that, quantitative, qualitative, exploratory, and again confirmatory analysis. Many more things are there, but this is the 8 things is enough, more than that, right? So next, in the real time, how we can get the data, how we can collect the data, and again how we can data cleaning we can do, and again how we can analyze, and again how we can predict the models, and again how we can do the business insights. This is what end-to-end flow we need to understand. Any confusions till now?
I have one question.
Yes,
I
please,
want
sir.
to know, like, if I will not get any job as a data analyst, can I move into HR analyst, and can I get a good job into a good company? Because nowadays I'm struggling to get a good job, like to get a job in a good company.
See,
So,
even if you want to go for HR analyst also, you should learn the MySQL, and you can also end-to-end Excel, and you can also
Mhm.
develop Power BI.
Okay, so as like I'm not having any, Excel subscription,
Okay.
so I just know, like, will you provide any, like, how to practice or where to practice Excel or Power BI?
So
You
that
will
you
do.
can, yeah, I will tell you that, like, 3 months or 2 months, there is a free subscription is available in the Excel. You can take it out, that freely registerable, and again you can practice it.
Okay, so you will provide.
Yeah, I'll show that how to take the subscriptions. Yeah.
Okay, how to take? Okay, we need to take a subscription.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay,
And
all
it
right.
is a free only. It's a 2 months, it is a free only. No worries, you can practice.
And what about Power BI and?
Yeah, those are completely, it is a free desktop version, we can practice it.
Okay, okay, all right. Okay, that's what I need to, ask and confirm.
Fine, fine, Anjali. So any questions, anyone?
No,
it's okay.
but with the help of Excel, SQL, and Power BI, we can land into the job.
Yes,
We can,
exactly.
if we can focus.
Yeah. So end of the day, we should understand the life cycle of a data analyst: data collection, data cleaning, data analysis, data modeling, deployments, monitoring, and again, optimizations. And also in Excel, like, we should learn like a lot of things here. Excel sheet. So how many of them are very good at to understand Excel? I think many of them are very good. Excel is common, is full, right?
I know basics only.
Okay. Let's see. I'm going to teach you a Power Pivot, and I can also Power Query,
Okay.
Power Pivot, and I can also Power Query. Power Query is here. We can load the data from the anywhere. See in the Power Query example, I'll show you how to load the data. This is Power Query. This is Power Pivot. Power Pivot means it is an entirely diagram. No worries. Here Power Query. We can load the data from the Azure cloud also. Many more areas. And also we can load from database. And again from online also we can connect the data from file. So anywhere. And again from online services. And again from other services from web also I can take it out. From web. Suppose if I want to collect the data, example, I can take it out here. Okay. FIFA World Cup. FIFA World Cup. I want to take all the data here. Obviously, there's an Excel sheet. There's a complete table. Okay, better I will take it out. Cricket. So Cricket World Cup. So here there is a lot of tables. So these tables I want to pull the data. Copy this data. Copy the link. Open the Excel sheet. Say from the URL. Paste it out here. Click OK. Here we need to understand which data we need to gather it, what we should do. Here also we should do the part of ETL activities. Here everyone knows that ETL, right? Extract, transform, load, and
Transform load.
transform.
Basically, which version of this Excel is why? Because in my system, I have that subscription, but Power Pivot option is not
Yeah,
showing.
you should enable the Power Pivot here in this case, where means file,
Okay.
account section, go to the account section, sorry, options, go to the options here, add-ins.
Okay.
The add-ins, you can add the add-ins here. So which Power Pivot is added? Add-ins, or else come add-ins, go, and again you can add it here Power Pivot for Excel.
Okay, we'll do. Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Again, I can do from other source, from web. The ICC men tables. So it is available. Table 1. So table 1 here. So just transform load, else load to anything, transform data I will do. So transforming the data will be available here. This is a part of Power Query editor. So the data is came. Null values if you want to remove the null values. So this is a header format if you want to do. Right click. So generally need to understand this concept. So all the first row, I want to make the header rather than column 1, column 2, column 3. So random data I'm taking here. Okay. See here, change the type. If you want to change the type, also we can do. One second. So use first row as a header. I'm making this. See, use first row as a header. So whatever I do, everything will be recorded here. Okay. See, if I cancel this one, automatically go back to the previous one. So promoted errors. See, like this. Again, if you want, use first row as a header. Use first row as a header. Then again, after that, if you want to remove the null values, remove the null values. If you want to add, you can add it. Select everything, remove the null values. Click OK. All the values it came, right? Just I'll show this. Enter. Then again, after that, then again, close and load. The table will be arriving. So like this. Clear, right? That is from the online web. We have taken the data and again we did like this. Any confusions? Anyone need to ask any questions? Hello.
Oh, it's fine.
Okay. So fine Vinay, fine Anjali, fine Raja, Sai Soumya. So please register as earliest if the classes are interesting. So and also meanwhile, I'm going to start the live classes from Thursday onwards. Meanwhile, we have a so tomorrow also more demo class. And again, we will be doing the different formats. So and also we should be install the MySQL databases. And again, we need to find, see, especially in the real-time scenario, I need to find out the second highest salary in the column, second highest salary in the tables, and again, first highest salary, least highest salary. And again, I need to merge the two highest salaries in the two different departments in the SQL format, in the no SQL format. All these things we can see in the live scenarios. Clear, right? Any
Yeah,
questions?
okay.
Anjali, Raja, Sai Soumya?
Um, okay. So if someday classes will be missed, we will get a recorded video.
Yeah, definitely. You can get the recording sessions. No worries.
So means we'll get that entire class recorded videos or in miss classes video only.
Every day, whatever I will be taking the live classes, everything will
Okay.
be recorded. If you miss
Okay.
any one class, you can see that recording and
Okay.
you can join for the next class like that.
Okay. And like when this class is going to start?
No, from Thursday onwards, we'll be starting these classes. So meanwhile, as early as you guys can register it, like I'm making the at least 10 members in the group, at least 5 members. Then again, if all interested, like we will be making as early as batches.
Okay, minimum of 5 members, we can start the class, right?
Yeah, definitely they will be joining. No worries on that. But
Okay.
we'll be making 10 to 12 members like that.
Okay.
I didn't get a date, exact date.
Sorry.
Like I didn't get what exact date classes will be starting.
So either Friday or either Thursday, we will be starting the classes.
Thursday or
Okay.
Friday.
Yeah.
And what will be that everyday class duration?
See, 8 to 9, 9:15.
Okay, 8 to 9. Okay, 8 to 9.
Yeah.
Okay. So around 2 month it will take, right? 60 days.
Last closing. Okay,
Oh,
fine. So no worries. We can join now.
okay, so 60 days it will take.
Yeah, just like I have given 45 days, but we will take it out with projects. I think anyone after sick leave or just my 1 day sick leave. So it will be extended like that, like that.
Okay. And is there like any I have some hands-on experience in ETL tool, Informatica Power Center. Is it going to help in this?
See, Informatica, directly I'm not using the Informatica, but in
Okay.
the AWS cloud, see,
Okay.
AWS cloud, there is a glue tool.
Okay.
AWS glue. Serverless data integration tool. See,
Okay.
and again, this glue, you will take the data from one format and again converting to the other format.
Okay.
Okay, like this
Okay.
ETL tools, ETL jobs. Okay, visual ETL tools we can use, and again we can do this one.
Okay. So it means one other question is is MySQL is different from Oracle database and SQL Server queries?
So all the queries are same to same only, but just it is a simple way to run the queries here, but there is a little bit complex.
Okay. Okay, no, why? Because I am finding some difference in Oracle queries and SQL Server. Currently, previously I was using Oracle, but currently SQL Server. So some basic difference is there, but concepts are same. So in MySQL, I think also same.
Yeah, same thing. Some
Oh,
syntaxes will change.
okay, okay, okay. Thank you.
We can take the data from MySQL, PostgreSQL, and again
Mhm.
Amazon S3. We can do the cloud level ETL concept,
Okay,
the data pipeline.
okay. And I think this Python is we are going to learn with respect to this data analysis only, not like a core Python developer like.
Yes. So, and again, meanwhile, with our proof, whatever we learned in our classes,
Okay,
everyone need to create your own packages. So suppose if I type
okay,
Vishwa packages has been created and you can push here.
okay,
So like this, you can push your own. Like example, you can create your own Excel formulas and again you can push it out. Like example, tomorrow, Anjali Excel formula. See,
okay,
you can push it out like this. Someone has been pushed with our name. Like suppose like this, pandas. Pandas, like it is a Python contributors, they developed this one, pandas libraries. Like this, our own models also we can create it. Like example, Vinay models also we can create like this.
okay. Means we can create our own packages or function like
Exactly. We can
concept.
push and again we can use all these things.
Okay, okay. And so how we can pay that amount?
No. The management team they will be calling to you guys, and again you
Okay,
can respond to them, and again you can
okay,
start this session.
okay, okay.
Sure. I have like other class.
Okay.
So any questions, please let me know. Vinay,
Tomorrow
Anjali.
demo will be available or
Tomorrow also demo will be available. Like different candidates will be joining, right? So for them.
yes.
So as you mentioned, today is Monday, so most probably our class will start on Friday, right?
Thursday or Friday.
Thursday or Friday. Okay. Okay, it would be better we can start Friday, Thursday itself. Why?
Yeah, because we need to gather like a few more students also.
Yeah.
With you guys, with you, if you guys are all interested, 5 members, remaining
Okay.
5 to 6 members will be gathering, and again
Okay.
we'll be taking like as a age.
Okay. And one more question, this class will be totally online, means so this is Monday to Friday or Saturday, like how?
No, Monday to Friday, 7 days, 6 days
Okay,
class. 4 days class.
Monday to Friday. That means 5 days.
Yeah.
Okay, Monday to Friday. Okay. Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Any
Thank you.
questions? Anjali, Rajshekar, Sai, Soumya?
Is the real-time projects are available to work on hands-on so
Yes,
that
yes.
we can keep
Live
keys so
healthcare
that
projects, live banking applications, live banking data service.
okay, like bank is for this course, 45 days of course we'll be conducting, no? And we can put how much years of experience as the previous experience we have worked in another company.
Uh, you can adopt 4 years of experience, no worries.
We can keep minimum 4 years of experience with this
Yeah.
course. Okay, for each and every course like SQL one project or Excel one
Yeah.
project and
For each and every tools, you can make it 4 years of experience, no worries in that.
okay, for 4 years, and each we can work on different types of projects. We can work on. You will give different types of projects, or entire four we can work on one single project.
Different projects like this.
Different projects.
Okay. Sure.
More question from my side. This is the last question actually. Suppose someone is already joined this class and due to some or other reason he is dropping or she is dropping. So can we continue that in other class like that?
Yeah, we can continue with other class. You can tell them to management team. So
Okay.
and again, I attended the previous session 2 days. And again, I want to continue with a new batch like this. Also, you can switch, no worries.
Okay. Means if batch is available, then they can allow, I think so.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay, fine.
Like after 2 months, if we need if we need to know any, if we want to cover any topic again, so can we access after 2 months?
Yeah, you can access. They'll give the 1 year access or lifetime access, I think.
Okay, 1 year. All right.
This we can confirm from, I think, management team when they will call. We can ask like all
Yeah.
this. Okay.
Sure.
Oh,
So thank you, Vinay. Thank you, Anjali. Thank you, Raj.
thank you so much, sir.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Yeah.
So
Thank you.
as
Thank
early
you.
as you guys are really interested, and again, my my way of presentation and way of sharing, if it is interested, please share it, and again we'll start. Okay?
Okay. Sure, sure. Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you.